Trench Knife. The trench knife, originating in World War I, was crafted for combat in the tight confines of trenches and dugouts. This timeless weapon is now available at reasonable prices. Let's examine the M48 Liberator model. It features a 19cm stainless steel TÜV CR13 blade, touted as razor-sharp and remarkably durable with a satin finish. The handle, made of fiberglass reinforced nylon, ensures a firm grip. Its intimidating presence is enough to make any criminal reconsider. The M48 Liberator, complete with a case, is priced at just $80. Guard Dog Pro Shield Smart. Retailers say the Pro Shield Smart backpack offers both protection and peace of mind. Many will appreciate this product, which can shield against 9mm and 44 Magnum rounds. Additionally, when things calm down, the backpack allows you to quickly call your loved ones, even if your phone's battery is dead, thanks to its built-in 4,000 mAh power bank. The Pro Shield Smart Backpack is also practical for everyday use. It features over 20 pockets, a dedicated compartment for an 18-inch laptop, and a section with RFID protection for bank cards. With a capacity of 27 liters, it provides ample space. While it weighs slightly more than standard backpacks at 1.9 kilograms, it remains a solid choice for $190. Trailblazer Lifecard. The makers of the Trailblazer Lifecard certainly thought outside the box. At first glance, you might mistake it for a card holder or a multi-tool, but it's actually a single-shot pistol. Measuring just 13mm thick and weighing under 200 grams, it easily fits in your pocket. In a dangerous situation, it can serve as an effective self-defense tool, utilizing 22 liters R or 22 WMR rounds. With practice, you can confidently hit a target from 10 paces. The pistol is fully symmetrical, making it comfortable for left-handed users, and it can store 3 additional cartridges. Priced at around $280, it's a great option for concealed carry. However, how quickly you can deploy and fire it in a high-pressure situation is yet to be determined. Byrna HD and SD. As gun owners, we understand the heavy responsibility that comes with it and the ethical dilemmas involved. Recognizing a need for a non-lethal self-defense option, Byrna introduced a pneumatic gun that fires balls filled with pepper or tear gas. One hit incapacitates an attacker for about half an hour. The SD version has an 18-meter range and includes 15 balls of 3 types, along with 2 5-ball magazines and 2 8-gram CO2 canisters. All of this is available for $380. Tops Knives Mini Sling. In 2017, casual target shooters were excited about the Top Sling slingshot. Users soon requested a more compact version, leading to the creation of the Mini Sling, a tiny slingshot that fits in the palm of your hand, even with its case. Weighing only 37 grams, it's so light you might forget it's there. Don't underestimate its size. The Mini Sling is accurate up to 15 meters. Consider various ammo types, pepper spray balls for added effect or washable paint projectiles for a messy surprise. Classic rubber ammo remains a solid choice. The Mini Sling, priced at around $150, is a versatile addition to any collection. Cold Steel Sword Cane. Cold Steel, known for its expertise in edged weapons, has introduced innovations like the Sanmei blade steel and the Triad lock for folding knives. Their sword canes are no exception. The heavy-duty model features a 61 centimeter, 5.5 millimeters thick, 3CR13 stainless steel blade, ideal for deterring threats. The overall length is 95 centimeter, complemented by a nylon handle. For a unique twist, a model with an M1911 style handle is available. You can own the Cold Steel Sword Cane for $133. Pavashot. Every year, 1.3 million women in the U.S. face assault, a staggering statistic. Pavashot aims to change that with innovative products. The pen shot looks like a pen, but can shoot up to 9 meters, while the stick shot has a longer range of 15 meters but lacks the disguise. Both utilize capsaicin spray from hot peppers, rated at 16 million Scoville units. You don't need perfect aim. Even a spray can temporarily incapacitate an attacker. The pen shot is priced at $149. Titaner Titanium Folding Fan. The Titaner fan, priced at $359, blends style and strength. This titanium fan not only provides relief from heat but can also serve in self-defense. Weighing 158 or 249 grams depending on the model, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough to break bricks. Featuring a water-resistant, customizable silk screen. Options include a 24-karat gold-plated screen or glow-in-the-dark inserts. Built for durability, it allows for easy screen replacement, ensuring a lifetime of use. The Cop. The Cop by Tracer Security merges a clutch bag with pepper spray, creating a clever self-defense tool. Its hidden advantage? Surprise! Attackers won't anticipate pepper spray from a purse. Simply reach into the Cop as if retrieving cash or a phone. Additionally, it includes a flashlight for improved accuracy in low light, enhancing its versatility. Tracer Security claims it's the most innovative pepper spray holder, all for just $60. Knyphe. Introducing Knyphe, a sleek phone case featuring a concealed 54mm stainless steel blade. This ideal self-defense gadget fits iPhone 12 and 12 Pro models, priced at $89. Crafted from 440C stainless steel, it's compact and easy to carry, ensuring you have extra protection with your smartphone. Simple, sturdy, and practical. Knyphe is designed without moving parts for increased durability. Ballistic dart launcher. Don't be missiled. This dart launcher is no toy. It hits targets over 9 meters away accurately from 6. Made of durable 440C steel, each dart measures 104 millimeters and weighs 8 grams, making it a reliable self-defense option. Priced around $40, it's a compact and lightweight addition to any backpack. SWX Wonder Hoodie. For $825, the SWX Wonder Hoodie offers cut and stab protection, designed with military and law enforcement expertise. Machine washable and weighing about 900 grams, its high-tech fabric is both practical and protective, even featuring fire resistance. Crafted for comfort and longevity, it uniquely blends style and safety. BISON Kiridashi Pocket Knife. This $19 Kiridashi-style knife draws inspiration from Japanese design, making it perfect for everyday tasks or self-defense. Small enough to attach to a keychain, it's made from HC13 stainless steel, weighing only 4.3 grams, with a blade thickness of about 5 mm. Accompanied by a card-like case, it's a discreet yet handy tool. PROTEKKT Life-Saver. PROTEKKT's multi-tool is designed for emergencies, combining a flashlight, 120 decibel siren, and dual steel tips. Use it to fend off attackers, break windows, or cut seatbelts. Compact at 142 millimeters and priced around $34 on Indiegogo. It's created by a self-defense instructor, making it a valuable tool for personal safety. VZ Punch Ripper and Dagger. The VZ Punch Ripper, resembling brass knuckles with 9 sharp prongs, and the VZ Punch Dagger, a push dagger featuring a 5-centimeter blade, provide practical self-defense options. Made from G10 material, which doesn't conduct electricity, these tools weigh about 30 grams each. Available for $140. They're discreet yet effective self-defense gadgets. Stinger Starship Portable Travel Door Lock. Ideal for travelers, the $35 Stinger Starship lock boosts door security in seconds. Compact at 12 centimeters and weighing 76.5 grams, it also includes a glass breaker and seatbelt cutter. Easy to install and highly portable, it's a small but powerful addition to your travel kit. Knuckle Stun Gun. This brass Knuckle Stun Gun combo is a formidable self-defense tool, delivering 950 kilovolts. For around $50, it causes muscle spasms and disorientation in attackers within seconds. Compact enough to fit in your pocket, this gadget combines a secure grip with effective self-defense power. Fast Strike Tactical Whip. In 2016, the creator of Fast Strike was inspired by a personal concern. His youngest daughter was relocating from a small town to Las Vegas. Concerned for her safety yet hesitant to give her a gun, he sought a safer alternative. Even a knife seemed risky, as its use could lead to legal issues. Thus, Fast Strike was born, a tactical whip designed to deliver painful strikes without causing lethal harm. This lightweight whip weighs just 85 grams and measures 43 centimeters in length. It requires no batteries, power, or refills. Simple yet effective, it allows you to fend off close-range attackers swiftly and easily. At just $25, this tactical whip provides a compact, reliable defense without excessive force. Yellow Jacket Case. Introducing Yellow Jacket, a smartphone case with a shocking twist. Its creator, Seth FR, was once robbed in his own home, despite having a taser and a firearm nearby. In that moment, his smartphone was the only item within reach. This incident inspired him to develop Yellow Jacket, a case that conceals a 650,000-volt stun gun. Not only does this case look and feel like a standard smartphone cover, but it also has enough power to unbalance and potentially incapacitate an attacker. Smartphones are ubiquitous, so no one would suspect this case doubles as a defense tool. Additionally, when protection isn't needed, Yellow Jacket serves as a power bank, ensuring you and your phone are ready for anything. Go Guarded Ring. In the US alone, around 17 million amateur runners exist. With so many people jogging daily, personal safety must be prioritized. The company Go Guarded developed an innovative solution, a special ring made from fiberglass reinforced nylon, lightweight yet durable. This ring is designed for women seeking extra protection on the go. Worn on your dominant hand, it functions as both a self-defense tool and a stylish accessory. In a challenging situation, it can be used to deliver painful blows, catching an attacker off guard. Available in US sizes 5 to 9 and 10 to 14. The Go Guarded Ring offers an attractive, easy-to-wear option for added safety at just $15. Byrna Shield. The Byrna Shield resembles an everyday backpack but transforms into a bulletproof shield in seconds. A special plate deploys to stop bullets from a 7.62 x 51 mm rifle at a distance of 15 meters. It features the MAL system, allowing for the addition of first aid supplies, a flashlight, or other gear. A bleeding stop kit is included. However, this high-level protection comes at a price, around $900 for the top version. That wraps up our list of unique self-defense gadgets. Each of these products shows that personal protection doesn't have to be bulky or dangerous. Whether you're looking for something discreet, compact, or multifunctional, these gadgets offer clever solutions for staying safe. If you found these gadgets interesting, let us know in the comments which one you'd consider adding to your everyday carry. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more videos on innovative tools and gadgets. Stay safe, and we'll see you next time.